Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will be showing you the unpacking of my GEKOGEAR solar wireless backup camera, and then I will also show you how to install it. Now, I installed one of these in the past and it's quite actually easy and shouldn't take you more than half hour, even less. There is no wires, there is no nothing to connect, you don't have to wire it to your backlight. So how it works, pretty much you install this license plate frame and then you just plug in the monitor to the power outlet, and that should be it. But one important thing before installing the frame, you want to make sure to charge it up all the way. It is solar, but it will last you much longer. If you charge it the first time, you should be good enough for at least 2 months. Okay, now I will unpack it. Okay, so we have the instructions here. Then we have 2 boxes. This protection foam. And now here is the plate, also well protected inside this small bag. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks, right? So here is the camera itself, and down here this is the charging port. So like I said, it should have a USB charger, I guess, inside one of these 2 boxes. Okay, this is the monitor charger. Okay, this is the one. So what I will do next, I will plug in this side to the camera frame, and the other side will have to go to my computer, so it's a USB charger, right? Or you can even plug it in your vehicle if you have the USB port. Or even what you can do, you can use this cable, you can plug in this side to your power outlet in a vehicle, and then you will plug the USB into this, and then that will charge the plate. But I will do it inside my building, my house, and plug it into my computer. It's gonna be probably faster, and I will leave it charging overnight, and then tomorrow I will continue this video. But let's first check what else is in here. Then we have this holder. Now this camera mounts in 2 different ways depending what do you want. I think it says even here on the cover. No, it doesn't. Anyways, I'll show you now. You have 2 different ways of plugging it in. This goes anywhere on the windshield, right? And now in the other box, I think there should be one more different mounting option. Okay, so here is the monitor. Oh yeah, and you can see. I'm sorry, I'm trying to work with one hand. Okay, so this is the monitor, right? And you see it has this double-sided tape on the bottom of it, so you can pretty much just plug it onto the dashboard, and that's it. But you can also just, by removing this screw here, you can remove this mounting bracket, and you can install the other one, and then you can have it on your windshield. So this is quite handy. You have a couple of options. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything you have. And then again, you just have a couple of screws, mounting screws, which you will use on your vehicle. Okay, so I have charging. You can see there is a red light here. So my guess is once this is fully charged, this red light should become a green light, or it should be off or something like that. But like I said, I will leave it overnight, and I will update you tomorrow.